Peacocks are known to be quite adaptable and can explore their surroundings, including rooftops, in search of shade or cooler spots. That's a lovely sight. Peacocks and pigeons are both common birds found in many parts of the world, and they can often be seen in parks, gardens, and other outdoor spaces.
Sembra che tu sei l'unico, guarda.
Peacocks, known for their beautiful and vibrant plumage, are primarily ground feeders.
È una
They have
meraviglia.
a diverse diet that includes grains, seeds, insects, fruits, and even small reptiles. Feeding them grains can be a nutritious option as part of their overall diet. As the peacock dances, it often
Guarda, si vede bene.
lowers
Sì?
its body, extends its neck
Sì, però io...
forward,
No, no, no. Guarda, anche
and
questo
makes
non vedo niente.
various calls to
No, no, guarda.
मतलब
accompany
फेस
its
इसकी कितना अच्छा है।
display. The dance involves a combination of slow, graceful movements and rapid vibrating shivers of the tail feathers. The peacock may also strut around in circular motion, highlighting its feathers' vibrant colors.
Hai visto?